going through Charlotte where the current time is 1:31 p.m. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off and keep the aisle clear of all items. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and surrounding area to ensure all your personal belongings, like cell phones, tablets, or chargers. When you open the overhead compartments, please be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You will now use your cell phone as we make our way to the gate. We are going to be parking at gate B1, that's B as in Bravo 1. If this is your final destination, you can pick up your checked baggage at baggage claim number 3. If you are connecting here, please double check your connecting gate information and flight status on the American Airlines mobile app on AA.com. There's also a map of the Charlotte Airport in the American Airlines mobile app. Due to our late arrival in Charlotte, we are going to ask that if you do not have a tight connection or if Charlotte is your final destination, if you could please remain seated to allow passengers with tight connections to leave the aircraft first. It would be greatly appreciated. If you are going to Nassau in the Bahamas, we are your flight attendants, so we will see you at the next gate. We would like to once again thank you for flying American Airlines. We do apologize for our delay, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.
Exactly.